Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you how you can clone your GitHub repository on your local computers at home so that way you can continue working on our project that was in class. Here I am right at the stage where you should have ended in class. So I added a remote, that's the URL for my GitHub repository. And then I did git push-u origin master right here. And that's taken all the commits, it's taken all the snapshots from the computer that you were working on, and it's pushed them up to that cloud server, the GitHub server. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pretend that I'm switching computers. So here I am, switching computers. I'm at home now. And on my home computer, I've got a different workspace. So I'm going to open up a terminal, and I'm going to go to my workspace for home. So that's D drive, David, Java workspaces, APCS 2016 examples. No, I'm going to make a new one. So I'm going to make a directory called at home. Alright, so here I am inside the at home directory. Alright, it's empty. So what I want to do now is I want to clone the remote repository. The command for that is you type git clone, and then here in GitHub, you see this button that says clone or download. You should find it if you are inside your account here and then whatever project you made. So click the clone or download button. We can go ahead and copy this. And then inside the terminal, if I right click and say, oh, how do I paste? I right click and I say paste. So git clone and then the URL. And I'll hit enter. And if all goes well, it should say cloning into. And now if you list, you should see a new folder here, CSV data. And I can go into it. Oops. And you should see the source folder there, and inside the source folder is all your code. So let's actually open this up in Eclipse now. So if we go to Eclipse, you have to make sure that you set your workspace to the proper workspace. So I'm in a new one that I just made called at home. Alright, and because I just made this workspace, there's nothing in here. So what I want to do is now add the project that actually exists on my file system as a project inside Eclipse. So I'll say File, New, Java Project. And now I need to type the same folder name that my folder is called inside the terminal here. So let's remember what it was called. It looks like it's called CSV Data is the name of my folder. So I'll call this CSV data. If you see it say the wizard will automatically configure the JRE, that means it's working. If you don't see this message here, that means that you probably set your Eclipse workspace to the wrong directory, and you should go back and try again. Alright, so I click finish, and now here I see my most recent state of code, and from now you can continue editing. And you should do the same commit process that you did in class. So whenever you make changes here, remember you want to go inside your project and then type git status, which will tell you what you modified, and then git add and whatever you need to add, and git commit. So same process. And then if you want those changes to be updated at school, same thing we did before. You say git push origin master, and then once we get to school, you can pull down all your changes. Okay, good luck everybody.